If you are developing games inside Unity under Windows and you are using Visual Studio, I would like to show you a very cool extension which helps me a lot with the game development. Its name is Supercharger, and we will be using it throughout this course. It has a lot of features, but we will be using only one, which is very helpful with the code readability. You can find it inside Microsoft Marketplace and download it by simply pressing the button. To install it, just open the downloaded file and follow the instructions. The extension is free for non-commercial use, so if you think it can be helpful also for you, just give it a try. Inside Visual Studio, the extension creates new panel and also new menu, and I will show you the options which I'm using. I turned off everything instead of code map, where I'm using the code editor feature, where I checked the last checkbox, which can highlight our methods with different colors. And I will show you how it works. Just right-click on a method name inside the panel and let's choose some color label. And now the whole method body is nicely labeled by our color, and it's super useful for readability, mainly when you have classes with a lot of methods. Now to finish, I will change the colors on all my methods. And you can see the code is much more readable. So this is the only special thing we are using in these lessons, and it's completely optional. So if you are not on Windows, don't worry, the code will still work fine on your platform. So thank you and see you in our next lesson.